How you doing?
A la large.
Oh,
XL, 2XL, 3XL, ya va aumentando.
I showed her. I sell to her. How you doing? That's the touchscreen.
I think long side fine. Yeah.
I got the Windows touch computer. There's a touchscreen, then there's on the back keypad. You flip it.
How much do you have these for?
I sell those for $130, but for you, I give it to you for $100 because you always look out for me. I got the charge and everything. And that's ThinkPad. You know that ThinkPad is this brand. That's one of those chargers. You don't like for yourself, man? You got the Apple?
It's not mine, you know.
Thank you. Okay.
Guárdalo, por favor.
Oh, this one.
How do you turn it off?
Oh, right here. Just go to this.
I'm gonna go with this one instead.
Oh, okay. Okay. Now, which one you want? There you go. And then go right there. See, she know. There you go. Now, which one you want? You want both of these? Okay. Okay. Oh, you set of these?
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Right here.
I got my glasses.
Yeah. Those are nice. Those are nice.
I'm too old for this shit.
These are. What's up, Pa? Tell me the news.
You tell me the news.
No, you tell me.
What's going on?
Are you happy?
Very happy. Yeah, what's going on?
I won't lie to you, you know what I'm saying? I got these.
Oh, okay.
ThinkPads, touchscreen.
I'm okay now.
Okay. Are you sure you're happy?
I'm cool, yeah.
God bless.
Alright.
Thank you. Can I show them?
Yeah.
Thank you. AirPods? AirPods? Oh, okay. AirPods?
What is it?
What's in your ear? That's what's it. You know what it is? Come on, stop playing, son. Stop playing, son.
Yeah, man.
And I got these right here. Come on, son.
How much is it?
120.
I already have one.
How much you pay for yours?
I bought it with 179.
God bless you.
Yeah, bro.
Have a good day. How much can you afford? How much you got? How much you got?
I said one phone is expensive.
How much you got?
I got to pay 70.
Give me 80. Go ahead. Yeah.
Is it new? No,
Hey, come on, stop playing, man. You know they new.
you remember?
100.
Let's try it here.
Yeah, you can put it on. I got one that's already open. You can see his. Look at his.
Yeah, how much is it?
Give me 100.
$100?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, I know it's not good for my, it's for my bro.
Look here. Open his. Let him show you his.
He said that he wanted to give you $80.
No.
Yeah?
He gave me 100. Didn't you give me 100?
Yeah.
Let me show you. Let me open.
There is a lot. What is it?
That's the touch screen. The laptop.
You got another like this or just one?
I got two.
You got two more?
Yeah.
My bro is saying he wants to buy us two. Can you give him 80? 160?
Look.
No, seriously.
Okay.
Alright, so.
Come in the car. Come on. Come in the car.
Alright, so he's saying you want to shoot. Can you give him 81?
Yeah. Yeah, I got to get him. I'll come call it.
You got the same number?
Yeah, same number. Got these two, son. Touchscreen.
It's like the father.
I got you. That's my nigga.
Trabajando bien la LP. No conoces una tienda de puro del medio aquí. No encuentro eso bien. Sí, no vale pura verga, no trabaja nada. Vale, te voy a tirar. So these are the pros?
Yeah, those are the pros.
How much are these?
I'm selling those for 100.
100?
Yeah, I got you. Yeah.
En la tarde, a pasarlo. No, yo no sé todo, no. What you got about it tonight? What much you want the other day, you know?
How much I gave you before?
75.
Don't.
Yeah, but gee, the other one you sold to me for 80.
What about this?
I don't have much money right now. Let me get you 20, okay?
No, you owe me. We good.
Okay, I owe you 20.
No, cause you let me sell here.
No, you can sell it, you know that's not a problem.
No, but I just want you to take home, remember?
How much did you say?
Give me $100, man. You got your iPhone? You can check. You want to check it?
No, I don't want to open it.
Oh, it's original. You know it's original. Ask her. She'll tell you. Where am I gonna pop up? Good. Come on, man. Stop playing, man.
How much it is?
Come on, honey. You feel let me stay close to the store. Come on, son. Stop playing, son. Let me stay close to the store, man. And then you make me open it too, son. Come on.
Let me give it. I'll take two.
Huh?
I'll take two. You can get me.
Come on, let's go.
So let me take two. 150.
No, 160. Let's be honest. Let's be fair. Come on. I sell too, son. I make money. I ain't no crack, son. Last one. Give me 100.
Christmas gift.
I know, hell yeah.
Thank you.
God bless. And I got this. He just bought two. You can check them on your phone. Ma!
I'm money today.
How much you got? How much you got?
50.
Oh.